You ever watch a movie and think, wait, what did they just say? Foes? Bodacity? Is that even a real word? Yeah. English in movies can be wild. But don't worry. We're breaking it all down today. Are you ready? Let's roll.
He traveled the land in search of worthy foes.
Word 1, foes. Foes means enemies or rivals. It's not always dramatic. But it can be. In Harry Potter, Voldemort is the ultimate foe. Example. They used to be best friends. Now, they're business foes.
Not how many foes he faced. They were no match for his bodacity.
Word 2, Bodacity. Yeah, this one sounds wild. It's a mashup of boldness and audacity with a little flair. You'll hear it in playful or exaggerated scenes. Example. She walked into the meeting with pure bodacity. No fear.
Flabby Panda can't possibly be the answer to our problem.
Word 3, Flabby. Usually means soft or loose, especially about the body. But it can also describe something weak. In Kung Fu Panda, Pa gets called Flabby all the time. But look who ends up becoming the dragon warrior. Example. My workout plan? Yeah, it's kind of flabby right now.
I probably sucked more today than anyone in the history of Kung Fu.
Word 4, sucked. It means something was bad or disappointing. Simple and direct. That movie sucked. Or, missing the flight? That sucked. No sugarcoating.
Serious bandit in Hajin province, but you're a lousy tipper.
Word 5, bandit. A sneaky thief. In Zootopia, there's literally a scene where a little weasel is stealing stuff. Total bandit vibes. Example. Who ate all the fries? Some bandit struck again.
Serious bandit in Hajin province, but you're a lousy tipper.
Word 6, lousy tipper. This one's about tipping, after a meal at a restaurant. A lousy tipper is someone who leaves a tiny tip, or worse, no tip at all. Not cool. Example. He left $2 on a $50 bill. Total lousy tipper.
I vowed to train you, and you have been trained. You are free to eat.
Word 7, vowed. To vow means to make a serious promise. Like in Frozen, Anna basically vows to never leave Elsa. It's not just a casual promise. It's deep. Example. He vowed to never cheat again. Let's see.
No, I am forbidden to look upon.
Word 8, forbidden. Means not allowed. Off limits. You've heard this one in so many movies. In The Lion King, Mufasa says, that place is forbidden. And of course, Simba goes there anyway. Example. Eating the last slice of cake? Technically forbidden. But emotionally necessary.
No, I am forbidden to look upon.
Word 9, look upon. It means to view or think of someone in a certain way. It sounds a bit formal, but it's powerful. Example. He looked upon her as his equal.
Come on! Face it, he picked me by accident!
Word 10, face it. A classic. It means accept the truth. Even if it's hard. Example. Face it. You can't do everything alone.
Evacuate the valley. You must protect the villagers from Tai Lung's raid.
Word 11, evacuate. Means to leave quickly for safety. Disaster movies love this word. Everyone evacuate the building. Example. We had to evacuate during lunch.
I can hold him off long enough for everyone to escape.
Word 12, hold off. Means to delay or wait before doing something. The Avengers, the team tries to hold off Thanos as long as possible.
Don't tempt me. Now, I'm gonna use...
Word 13, tempt. Tempt means to attract someone to do something, often something they shouldn't. It's about desire and danger. Example. That sale was tempting me. I almost bought 10 shirts.
You're bluffing. You're bluffing! Shifu didn't teach you that.
Word 14, bluffing. To bluff is to pretend you have something you don't.
I figured it out. Skadoosh.
Word 15, figure out. To figure something out means to understand or solve it. Very common. Very useful. Example. I finally figured out how to fix the Wi-Fi. Took 3 hours. And 1 panic attack. But still, victory. See you in the next one. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.